Now in this video we are discuss about named mode ACLs. As we already discussed the basic concept of ACLs and basic configuration of ACL, just move to the named mode ACLs. Go to your configuration mode first. If you want to create a ACLs named mode ACL, just type IP access list. Here the option is standard or extended. If you want to create standard list, just type standard. If you want to create extended list, just type extended. I am creating extended list here. You can start with standard list. Now you can type word here. Word means you can type any name of ACL, like I am creating ACL with QWERTY. This is my ACL name. The ACL name is QWERTY. Now you see here you are entered in router configuration standard ACL mode. If you type here extended, then you move to extended ACL mode. Now in this mode you can give deny or permit statement, like here you can put permit here, you can put deny here, or you can give a sequence number. What are the sequence number? We will discuss about that later. I am giving a deny statement. For example, deny 192.168. Just check you address to match. You type a address here. I am typing 192.168.1.0 with wildcard mask and just press enter. The second statement is 192.168. I am taking any example 7.0 with wildcard mask, because the concept is same as we already discussed in standard and extended ACLs. We are discussing here the named mode benefits, so I am taking the any random network. Now we checking the ACL show access list. Here you see this extended list is already created on my router. Now I am creating this standard ACL list. That name is QWERTY. These are the numbers. These sequence number. These are these sequence numbers. The first line sequence number is 10. The second line sequence number is 20. Now the benefit of access list is you can delete the single line of from the ACLs. In the standard or extended ACLs, if you need to delete any line, then you need to delete whole list. It means you cannot delete only a single line in standard and extended list, but you can delete a single line in named mode ACLs. The first thing is this. Let's check this. Configuration terminal. Then go to your access list, that is QWERTY IP access list standard, and the name is QWERTY. Now you can delete a particular line with a sequence number, like I am deleting this line, that is 192.168.7.0's network. So I am put here the sequence number of this particular line with no command, no 20, just type or just press enter. Now you check show access list. you can see here the 20 sequence numbers lines is deleted. So in named mode ACL, you can delete a particular line or particular rule in ACL. Now I'm giving deny statement again 192.168.8.0 with the wildcard mask. I'm giving another now check do show access list. Here you can see there are three lines present in named mode ACL, or you can see the QWERTY ACL. If you want to enter a new line or new rule in between these two lines, then it is possible only in named mode ACL because these sequence number. In standard and extended ACLs, if you put the newer rule or newer line in ACL, that put it at the end of the ACL. But in named mode ACL, you can put the line in between any two rules. For example, I am putting a new command in between these two lines. So I am using the sequence number from 11 to 19 because 11 to 19 is in between these two sequence number. I am using 11 here. 11 deny 192.168.0. Now you check the access list. Here you can see this line is not at the end. This line is in between these two lines. You can modify it your named mode ACL as you want. It gives more options that are not given by the any standard or extended lists. This is the example of standard list, standard named mode list. You can create extended name mode list also. Like you just need to type IP access list extended here you can give the name. I'm giving the name as QWERTY2. Just press enter. You can type any command you want. Like you can allow something, you can deny something. Like I'm denying 15 dot deny which network you want to deny. I'm denying IP, it means any internet protocol. Just type the source address, that is I'm using any random network just for understanding. This is my source and this is my destination, because in extended list we need to give the source address and destination address both. So in named mode extended list we need to give or we need to put source address also and the destination address also. This is my source address and we need to put destination address here. The destination address I am giving 20.0.0.0 0.0.0.255. Now thing I went wrong is here the destination address with the wildcard mask. Put enter, or you can use deny statement with TCP, like TCP 15 already used, so I'm using this is my source address and the destination address is you can put here EQ for telnet or SSH or www or any other service you want to block or you want to deny. You can use here 22 for SSH, 23 for telnet, 80 for HTTP or anything you want. Like I'm using 80 here. Do show access list. On this router there are three lists, access list. The first one is extended, the second one is standard named mode, and the third one is extended named mode. That name is QWERTY2. This is first statement, this is second statement. By the sequence number you can put a new line in between these two. This is all about standard ACLs, extended ACLs and named mode ACLs.